In this video, I'll show you how to edit an image in the Wix website editor. Whether you're adjusting size, cropping, or improving quality, Wix gives you simple tools to make your images look great. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening your website in the editor. Once inside, click on the image you want to edit. A small menu will appear with several options. From the toolbar, select Edit Image. This opens the image editor panel. One of the most useful tools here is Crop and Extend. Click on it, and crop handles will appear around your image. Drag them to cut out unwanted areas or to better frame your subject. If you want to maintain the aspect ratio while cropping, hold down the Shift key as you drag. After cropping, you can use the Upscale tool to improve image quality. This feature sharpens and enhances the resolution, making sure your image looks clean and professional even after resizing. When you're happy with your changes, click Save to apply them. The edited image will now update directly on your site. And that's it. You've successfully edited an image in Wix. With just a few quick steps, you can crop, refine, and enhance images so they align perfectly with your website's design.